Hi guys, we are back with another video. In this video, we will be making deep fried chicken wings. Like always, we'll be keeping it pretty simple, quick and easy. It's been a minute since I haven't welcomed any of my new subscribers. So to all my new subscribers, welcome. And my old subscribers, thank you for always watching, liking, commenting and sharing my videos. And if any of you watching the video you haven't subscribed yet, so just go ahead and subscribe, okay? All right, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so we have the chicken, limes, salt, and vinegar to wash the chicken. And then we have Haitian blended spices, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, paprika, flour, and oil to season and fry the chicken. We are going to start by cleaning the chicken with lime, salt, and vinegar. We are going to let it sit in this for a good 5 minutes and then rinse. Add your spices, whichever spices of your choice. Let it marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, let's add the seasonings to the flour. All-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, paprika. I added about 2 tablespoons of each. So we are going to dip them in the flour. Now we are going to fry them. Make sure your oil is pretty hot before putting it in there. Okay, now it's all golden. Look at this. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit the bell notification to be notified when I post new videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!